low is too low. I was just going to stay a couple hundred feet.
That's fine. 72.
And down. November 762 X-ray, that's gonna be our last touching.
70.
Alright, on ground, stand by 1 second. Number 7862 X-ray, extend down, Aquaria base.
Extend down on your call base. November 762 X-ray.
And night 2, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I saw him crawl off to the right side of the runway. And I'm not sure if there's like a hole there or something like that, but he kind of disappeared. He seems like right next to maybe the 2 board, kind of right before the Bravo 2 taxiway there. So if you don't mind, if you could just check that out and see if he's either in the grass or if he did go into that. I know there's like that hole there that they go into sometimes.
I don't see anything on my side.
We can take a look. You staying near the touchdown markers there?
No, kind of like the 2 board. So right before Bravo 2 off to the right side of the runway.
I didn't see anything on my side.
I didn't see anything over here either.
Just making sure we clear land 13.
Night 2, affirmative, runway 13, clear land.
We'll give it one more shot.
Sorry about that. Yeah, and I don't know if you can see it too well, I'm sure you can, but off to the right, there's that like light kind of square patch. It's kind of, yeah, beam Alpha 3 maybe even.